First of all, I need to insert my flash drive, which is at least 16 GB. Then I need to download the Rufus and Windows 11 or F12. Continue pressing, and then they will take you the boot mode. So you have to go to the USB 1 UEFI OS general USB disk. So you're gonna press that one with your keyboard because you can only use the keyboard. So my one is Alienware, so my boot mode is look like that. So depend what laptop you got. So this kind of interface you will see. Then you have to choose your language, the keyboard input method. So I'm gonna choose US. Then next. Now install now. So it's gonna be set up is starting. So your setup is starting now. Then you have to wait until the second step come. Here is the applicable notices and license term. So you have to accept all, then press next again. Now which type of installation do you want? So I'm gonna press upgrade, install Windows and keep file settings and application, probably the first one. Now where do you want to install Windows? So I'm gonna press drive 0 pattern 4, which is 475 GB. So next, then you have to wait long time. It's a long processing. You have to wait and look. You mustn't sleep that time. Now take off your flash drive. So I'm gonna take. Now choose the right country or region. What is yours? So my one is Bangladesh. So I'm gonna choose Bangladesh. Now the keyboard layout input method. So I'm gonna put that US. Now you have to wait. Please don't shut down your laptop. Put your laptop name. So I'm gonna put the Alienware. How do you like to set up this device? So I'm gonna use it personal. So I choose it personal. Then next, let's customize your experience. I'm gonna accept all. Again accept. Keep wait. Hi, getting things ready for you. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. So like me, you need to wait. Almost there. Here we go. Here is a fresh Windows 11 Pro. Now you need to update your laptop. So you have to go to the settings and update, and you have to update it. So I'm updating and restarting, so it's take long again. There we go. Here's my fresh laptop. It's a gaming laptop actually. Okay, thank you. Enjoy.